All right, guys, this is what the room looked like before. Everything has been taken out, or most of everything. My husband is putting together the bunk bed at the time of this recording. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys where we were starting from. And this is how the room turned out. I absolutely love it. It's so super cute. Oh, this is the full view, the flashing lights. Even there's some underbed lights, which I'll include a clip in at the end, that we put a strip light, has different settings on it. I hung up her Black Girls Rock posters and her vanity. You guys know I painted that chair. I made that table. I made those 2 IKEA hacks that are on the side. That vanity I got from just a mirror I got from Facebook online, and I just put some light bulbs around it that I got from Amazon. She has a cute little study nook over here. I cut down that chalkboard and made that table. You can check my stories or my Instagram posts for all that. She has all the things that she needs to get ready to study for school. There's a little stand on there where she can put her laptop. And my husband put together her bed. Of course, you guys know my super excited post about the underbed storage that I made for her bed. So yeah, you'll see all my DIYs in my Instagram histories if you're interested. And the lights that are hanging up behind the back wall, they have a bunch of different settings that are flashing. Really cute. Rehung some curtains, added some more curtains. The bookcase my husband put together as well. I added some bins to that so she could put all her little knickknacks and stuff. That mirror was black. I just painted it gold. You guys saw the DIY. I redid this dresser from Facebook that was $10 where she'll put her TV on. Here's what she thought. Are you ready to see your room?
Yes.
All right. You're so silly. All right, go ahead. Whoa.
Thank you, Mom.
And Dad. And Dad. Oh my God.
I decorated, so that's what she's thanking you for.
You know how I look?
So, this is so cute.
Look at the, you see the storage that I made?
Where?
Look at the bed. It's 2 handles.
This is so cute.
Pull it out all the way. Guess how much room you got?
Oh my gosh, Mom. Thank you. This is so cute, Mommy.
Don't cry.
You're gonna make me cry.